just hooked up on a squid, and it's pretty rough out here. We're fishing out of Tumby Bay. I just chucked my squid jig out the back and was about to start trolling, and she just buckled over, so seems like a pretty nice squid as well. Oh, it's just weed. I'm pretty sure it's a squid. We got him. Decent sized squid as well, guys. Just check the rod there. The size of him. Nice squid. We'll get the lure back out, see if we can get another one. Alright guys, we just moved on a fair way, a couple k's down the beach. Now we're in between an island and the mainland, sort of. It's got a shallow bit here. Just a nice big weed bed. And we just hooked up. We're actually just drifting along now and just casting. So we're not trolling at the moment. Yeah, we'll see if we can get a couple doing this. Got him on his big tentacle. Yeah, he's a nice size, this one. Good eating size, which is just what we want. Yep, we just hooked up on a squid. Don't know if you saw that, but I tried to get the hook up on video, but I'm not sure if it will. We just got this another squid right beside the boat here. So we get some underwater shots. It's hooked pretty well, so. Yep. Nice and landed. Good little squid anyway. Yeah, he's out there a bit. Yeah, so we're approaching 1,000 subscribers, guys, so that's just insane. This is so good. And yeah, so I'll be making a 1,000 subscribers video, so I'm pretty keen for that. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do for it though. Most likely, hopefully head down Port Lincoln Way, do a bit of shark fishing, because sharks are going pretty quiet over winter around here. But yeah, if you want to see something, like, just comment below and I'll try and do my best to bring that action to you. So, and it should be out, I don't reckon it'll be out right on 1,000 subscribers, but it'll be around that. It'll be either right on or a bit after. So yeah, so just thank you guys for all your support and that again. It's really good. There you go. Stuck there. Here we go, guys. That is 19 squid. That's the best session I've ever had on a squid as well. Even for a monster as well, this one right here. Squid, that one. So yeah, I hope you make sure to like.